guys, it's Brooke. Welcome back to Wildflower Manor. So let me show you what project I'm working on this morning. So I'm in the red section. We had a storm. It pushed all the sunflowers and gladiolus over. And so I'm going to I need to secure them because I need to plant some things where they're leaning over. So let me show you. As you can see, all of these are leaning forward. So there is space. Actually, it'll be easier to see from the other side. Just give me a second. Okay, so as you can see, there is space in here to plant, but you can't see it because the gladiolus are falling over. So what I've done is I put 2 posts back there and on this end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some twine and I'm going to try just like securing it from the bottom. I don't know how, I mean, it'll work. I think 2 should be enough. If not, I'll have to get another post from Lowe's. But I think that'll be enough to secure it so that because I've got echinacea and some other dahlias that I need to go in here. Not to mention, it's kind of smothering some other things down here, like the scabiosa and that sort of thing. So I just gotta get this a little bit higher. So. Okay guys, so let me show you how it looks from the other side. So now, as you can see, it's opened space up. So I'm going to go get the echinacea that I'm going to plant in this entire section. So, yeah. So I'm going to have to get another one of those posts and put it in the middle. And then I could probably just pull these lines back there and that'll probably be the last. That'll probably definitely be better. It'll definitely give me more of the support that I need. So let me go get the plants.